Hey there, tech enthusiasts and future moguls. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of AI and uncovering how you can turn it into a money-making machine. That's right, we're here to reveal the secrets of how to make money with AI. So, grab your notepads and let's get started. 1. The power of AI. AI, or artificial intelligence, isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's a revolutionary technology that's reshaping industries and creating unprecedented opportunities. From self-driving cars to personalized marketing, AI's potential is limitless. 2. Identifying lucrative AI trends. But where's the money? The key is to identify lucrative AI trends. Look for industries where AI is making waves, like healthcare diagnostics, e-commerce recommendations, and financial forecasting. These sectors are ripe for innovation and investment. 3. Monetizing your AI skills. You don't need to be an AI expert to cash in. Learning AI skills can be your golden ticket. Enroll in online courses, attend workshops, and practice coding AI algorithms. The demand for AI-savvy professionals is skyrocketing. 4. Creating AI-powered products. Want to create the next big thing? Develop AI-powered products that solve real-world problems. It could be a language translation app, a smart home device, or a healthcare assistant. Your innovation could be the game changer the world is waiting for. 5. Launching an AI startup. Thinking big? Launch your AI startup. With the right idea, a solid business plan, and determination, you can secure funding from venture capitalists or angel investors. Remember, companies like Google and Facebook started small too. 6. Freelancing in the AI world. If the startup world isn't your jam, freelancing is your playground. Many businesses lack in-house AI expertise and are willing to pay top dollar for AI consulting, data analysis, and machine learning model development. 7. AI affiliate marketing. Let's talk passive income. Promote AI-related products through affiliate marketing. Create engaging content, like reviews and tutorials, and earn a commission for every sale generated through your unique affiliate links. So there you have it, future AI tycoons. Making money with AI is within your reach. Whether you're diving into AI startups, freelancing, or affiliate marketing, the opportunities are endless. Remember, the AI revolution is happening now, and it's time to stake your claim in this futuristic gold rush. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep innovating and keep profiting. Stay tuned for more exciting tech insights on Boo Boo Boo. See you in the future.